Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. If you've been to our website, bootuppd.org, you may notice that we've got a bunch of different projects that show you some really neat, cool things that you can create in Scratch. But I want to show you a neat idea in the project Sunset in the Mountains. So if we press the green flag, we can make it so that when we move our mouse up, it looks like we're kind of getting a higher vantage point. If we move our mouse down, it looks like we're getting lower in the forest. So depending on where you move your mouse, it's actually going to move the scenery. So if you're making one of the projects on BootUp's website and you want to make it so that you can kind of like look around, something like this, then take a look at the link in the description and click See Inside, and you can see how they used code to make these different layers, these different costumes, be able to move different amounts to make it look like you're actually able to kind of look around like this. So that I thought was a really neat idea. If you got a neat idea that you'd like to share, make sure you comment it below so we can take a look at it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.